For the repair of the Hackman circuit board, the following procedures were necessary: a general cleanup of the unit, and after inspections, we found 3 relays were malfunctioning, and as a precaution, we replaced all the relays of the board with new ones. For testing, we add a 12-volt DC power supply, and as soon as we add the power supply, we can see that the LED indicators of the unit light up. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It now seems to be clear that the circuit board is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.